All right. Yep. Uh, Basically, wangwana, niko hapa leo for us to have a simple talk and itaenda ile design ya kimkurugenzi, sina mnajua. Mm. Yeah. So basically today, I've just come so that we can have a conversation, because sasa nilikuwa najiuliza, mm, have you ever asked yourself what the essence of life is? Because one thing I know as a sorry as a born again and a person that has been raised in church, there are so many things that we take for granted, but we are not supposed to take them for granted. Many bad things, be it on leadership, be it on what. The church has been compromised to a level that even a person who wants to do good, even a person who wants to do something good cannot do it. Why? Because let's say, for example, you are a person that has been called into politics, has that calling to politics, but the people around you tell you that politics is an evil thing. But have you ever asked yourself that what about that maybe Christianity? Even in Christianity, people can take you down. Hmm? People can still take you down. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter at all, at all, at all. People can still take you down. What you need to know is that while you're interacting with people, anywhere, anywhere, a human being is just a human being. What changes to a human being is the environment. Yep. Because tell me the reason as to why Joseph is sold by his own brothers. Give me that analysis. Okay, let's say maybe the brothers are the people who are not good. But tell me why Joseph is forgotten while in the prison after telling the butler to remember. You know, you can be still in the wilderness and you're in church. You know, the problem we have nowadays as Christians is that we go to church for a benefit of something we want. We are not going to church to serve the Almighty, to talk maybe. You know, some of us go to church to see the girlfriend, to socialize. Like, okay, let me just say basically and simply is that the church has been made a place to socialize. Yeah, it is no longer a spiritual thing or a spiritual thing, a platform. It is not because many people. This is where now people will come and see, so and so today I put it on this type of clothes. He has bought this. He has bought maybe that pair of shoes. He has bought a new clothes. And this is where people come to showcase their new things. There, there is a lot of pretense and hypocrisy in the church today. Mm, a lot. And that's why you will find some people saying that they are not coming to church. Why? They were hurt by the people inside the church. Yeah, because you who claims to be born again, you want to criticize people, you want to judge people, you want to body shame people as if you are that clean. You are not. You are not. Because even the Bible itself says that there are many different ways to commit sin. And you can commit sin by just seeing. That's why Jesus said that anybody who has committed adultery, it is not by doing the act, it is by also looking at a woman lustfully. And that's why you see Job saying that I vow that I will not look at a lady using my eyes lustfully. Why? Because he knew that you cannot start committing a sin without reimagining or imagining anything that a human being executes. That is now according to psychology. Anything that a human being executes, he or she either thought, looked at it and then thought of it, or he first thought of it and then did. Yeah. So I don't know what you're thinking about it, but the church has really been compromised. Why? Because we tend to think that because we are inside the church, we are safe and we are good to go. Forgetting that inside this church is a bunch, a bunch of people who also are healing from something. You know, when I was still a kid, I used to think that the church is a place where everyone is holy, but as I am growing, I got to find out that the church is not a place where people are holy. No. It is a place where people come to heal. It's a place where people run to when things are now tough. It is a place where people come where they can be safe. Right? So the level at which the church has been compromised to date is very, very much alarming and strange. So you who is coming to church, you should know what to come for. If it is healing, then make sure you come, maybe it's for prayer. Come for prayers and leave. Don't come to look at people thinking that everyone there is good. No, no, don't do that. Yeah, because life really, this life matters for you and you to decide if this life will matter for you or not. Thank you very much. I love you all. Bye bye.